To make this floral foam, all you'll need is some glitter in various colors and some floral foam soaked in some water. And I would soak the floral foam for about 1 hour or more. You can get a pack of 4 blocks of this wet foam at Michael's for $7, but use a 40% off coupon, which they always have, to make it about $4. This part is optional, but I decided to move a piece of my floral foam into a new container just to make it so that it would be easier to reach into and put the glitter on. Then I put the glitter on top of my soaked floral foam, and I did mine in a stripes pattern, but you could do it however you want to. Then I took this piece of floral foam and I took it out of the container, and then I filled up this shallow container with some water. And the reason that it's green is because I used the same water that I soaked the floral foam in. And now all that's left to do is to crush the floral foam over the water to create some super satisfying ASMR. And I found that having some water underneath the foam is actually really important, because if you don't have it, it's definitely not as satisfying and like the sounds aren't the same, so definitely just put a bucket of water underneath your floral foam. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and comment down below if there are any other ASMR trends you guys would like me to try next. And make sure to check out my Instagram for some more floral foam videos. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!